Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your student's finance account from your desktop. And now that further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see, and on the search bar of your browser, type in student finance login like this in the Google itself, and on the first result of Google you can see the www.gov.uk's students finance login. Just click over there, and after that when you scroll down on this page you can see the sign in page or the sign in button over here. Click on the sign in button, and let's accept all the analytic cookies to proceed. And after that you will be required to enter your email over here, and after that your email or your customer reference number over here, and after that you will be required to enter your password over here and click on continue to sign into your students finance account of England. If you forgot your password, just simply click on forgot your password option and you will be taken to the page to reset your password. Or if you want to create an account, just simply click on create an account and you will be taken to the sign up page of uh, student finance. And then guys, this is how you log into your students finance account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.